Hi, good morning. In previous video, we have discussed about the different applications of IoT in different domains. Now, we are going to see specific applications like home automations with Android applications and Google Assistants. This also comes under Unit 5 IoT applications in the subject IoT system architecture. In home automation, smart home with Google Assistant and Alexa using Node MCU, ESP8266 and Scenic Pro. We can use those components to make a home automation. Smart homes with Google Assistant and Alexa using Node MCU and Scenic Pro. These three components can be interconnected together so that we can perform some automated task that we done in a home automation. You have to control three application appliances with Google Assistant, Alexa, and manual switches. Control the relays from Google Home and Amazon Alexa from anywhere in the world. These three components we are making it to be an automated. Okay. Then home automation using Android and applications and Google Assistants greatly enhance convenience, security, and efficiency of managing your home. There are some key components will be there, like smart devices, connectivity, how to connect those devices with the real-time environments, and how to connect a relays with the switches. These are the tasks that to be performed for computing a home automation. This is a node MCU. We are connecting those node MCU pin with the relay pin. We are having connecting switches and with the relay pin. That relays is connected to the light. If we want to switch on, we can manually enter switches. Then or else we can transmit data to the node MCU so that it will trigger the switches to manually trigger the switches to automatically switch on the lights and fans. We are using a 4 channel relay module and we are having a node MCU. It has an inbuilt Wi-Fi module, so that if we transmit, if we send some data to that particular module, it will act based on this. If we send the light to be switched on as a message to the node MCU, if this receive that message, then it will switch on the power. It will switch on the lights. If switch off the lights, that message to be received by node MCU, it will automatically turn off the lights. Then we can directly connected to the relay. Then switches also to be directly connected to the relay. If we can directly manually switch on and off the lights. This is the module for automating the light to be automatically turn on while entering the home, or if we send some messages, it will automatically turn on the lights. We have a key components for home automations like smart devices, connectivity, control interfaces. Smart devices like smart lights, thermostats, smart locks, security camera, smart speakers, smart appliances. Smart lights include bulbs, switches, and plugs. Thermostats like control heating and cooling. Smart locks like keyless entry and remote access, under smart appliances like refrigerators, washing machines, ovens, etc. These are the smart devices that to be connected directly to the controller so that it will automate the task. And we have to connect it through Wi-Fi connectivity. Like Wi-Fi will connect the smart devices to our home, and Bluetooth is used for a smart range of communication. Zigbee is used for home protocols for smart home communication. Then we are having a control interfaces like Android applications and Google Assistants. We can customize that applications, and for automating home. And Google Assistants, we can do voice activated assistant integrated with smart home devices. First, we have to install the smart devices, then installing home automation apps or on our Android devices. And we have to configure that Google Home with the Google Assistants. And we have to link that Google Assistants to the smart devices. Using home automation with the Google Assistants, we can give voice commands like turn on the light, to switch on the light or turn on the fan. Voice commands can be directly given to those Google Assistants, and we can remote control the via an Android applications. These are the applications that can be done using a home automation by using a Node MCU projects, Node MCU controller. In that we are using a D1, D2, and D5, D6 the GPIO pins to control the 4-channel relay modules, and GPIO SD3, D3, D7, and receiver pin are connected with manual switches to control the relay module manually. Whenever the control pins of relay module receive low signal, the respective relay will turn on, and the relay will turn off the high signal in the control pin. Boot will fail in if SD3 or D3 are grounded during the boot process. So manual switches S1 and S2 must be off during the Node MCU boot. If we want to use push buttons, then just connect the push button across the GPIO pins and ground pin instead of switches. The major components required for developing this project is the Node MCU, 4 channel relay module, manual switches, Amazon Echo Dot, Google Nest Mini. These are the components that are required to develop this home automation projects, and we have to control 3 relays with using Google Assistant, Alexa, and switches, and we have to create an account with Synric Pro and programming the Node MC with Arduino IDE, and we have to connect Synric Pro and add IoT devices with Amazon Alexa, and connected Synric Pro and IoT devices with Google Home applications also. Thank you. This is the link for a coding reference for developing the home automation projects. Thank you.